Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a mystery painting. I don't know what's going to transpire with this one. I just have some colors picked out, which Greg is going to put a picture up right now of the colors I'm using. Most of them are the Amsterdam acrylics, mixed paint and Floetrol. Approximately 50-50. I added a tiny bit of water just to get it a little bit more to the consistency I wanted, but it is basically 50-50. And the base I have down is the Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics. I just wanted to do a different color background, so the purple was one of my favorites, so I figured I'd give it a whirl and see what we can come up with. I did pull a couple of Boom Gel stains out as well, in case I want to add a little bit more greens to my painting. But other than that, it's all pretty much Amsterdam paints that I'm going to be using. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, you guys. It means the world to me. All your comments, all the thumbs up, please keep them coming. I am doing videos sporadically lately because I'm transitioning into a new job, into a new city about 2 hours away from Greg. So right now I'm here on the weekend doing a couple of paintings, and then I'm heading back to do my work week. So Greg and I are apart during the week, which kind of sucks, but we'll get through it. We're going to find a nice place to move into in the new city, so wish us luck, okay? Alright, hon, hit some music. Let's just have some fun and see what kind of creation we can develop here. Thanks again for joining me. Hit the music, hon.
Making the sound, how you like that? Yeah. Playing it cool, breaking the rules. I don't need you, I got my own bag. Oh, I finally saw the light from the burning bridges left behind. Oh, you thought you'd leave me there to die, but I'm not broken. Gaining some ground, making a sound, how you like that? Yeah. Playing it cool, breaking the rules. I don't need you, I got my own bag. I ain't afraid, baby, I'm brave. I won't behave, I'm better than that. I'm coming for everything you said I couldn't have. I got my own bag. Making the sound, how you like that? Breaking the rules, I don't need you, I got my own bag. I ain't afraid, baby, I'm brave. I won't behave, I'm better than that. Coming for everything you said I couldn't have, I got my own bag. Next time you're down my way, watch the clock. I got a can of Narragansett with your name on it. When you smile, it's like the season changed. It's been a while, somehow it still feels strange. I thought I'd die alone, but not for a long time. Boy, I got so lucky that you came my way. When we go out and we see all those fishing boys, they all turn green. At least in the daytime. You wear a tie, I'll wear a dress. We'll say our vows and make a mess. Then we can get on with getting old together. When you smile, it's like the season changed. It's been a while, somehow it still feels strange. I thought I'd die alone, but not for a long time. Boy, I got so lucky that you came my way. When you smile, it's like the season changed. It's been a while, somehow it still feels strange. I thought I'd die alone, but not for a long time. Boy, I got so lucky that you came my way. Next time you're down my way, come see me on the counting down the day.
With a piece in my hand and bloodshot eyes, I walked to the water for a last goodbye. He begged so much, it clouded my mind. One thing's clear, the man's gotta die. Might makes right, so he said, when he held all the keys over our head. I lived in that grip, but now he'll learn at the end with the tables turned. Lord, forgive me. Take me on down the river where the guilt can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the grave can't cry out. 'Cause I done wrong down the river with a hand on a Colt and a finger on the trigger. And long before dawn they try to find me. So take me on down. Take me on down. Well, I sank that body by the riverbank. Caught a boat south, took off like a hurricane. With spotlights, dogs, yeah, the whole 9 yards. Of breathing down my neck and breathing hard. 2 weeks in a wild chase across the highways, mountains, over 7 states. Found a man at the harbor, said that he could take me across the ocean somewhere far away. Lord, forgive me. Take me on down the river where the guilt can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the grave can cry out. change. I make for the water, jumping off the ledge, but not before I gets through to the chest. Now there's blood and water filling up my lungs. Blood and water filling up my lungs. My heart is beating like a fading drum. Lord, forgive me, here I come. Take me